Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to talk about File Explorer Quick Access and also Outlook Favorites. And the purpose of this is to easily access folders in both those applications. So let's go ahead and open up File Explorer and go ahead and look at through our little folder structure. So we have a training folder here that I've created along with some subfolders, and there's files within there. So let's say buried in your folder structure, you would like to be able to quickly and easily access a folder. So instead of having to drill down through training and Word and testing and get to Sandbox, for instance, let's say we want to be able to get to that quickly and easily. Well, it's really simple. All we have to do is just go to the folder and right click on it and then go to Pin to Quick Access. When we do that, it'll show up here at the top under the Quick Access section, and there it is. So just a single click will take us to that folder no matter where we are. So we can be anywhere in our folder structure, and if we click on Sandbox, for instance, it'll take us right to the folder itself. And that folder is live folder, so if we, for instance, want to copy some data into there, we can actually drag a file or multiple files into that quick access location and copy a file there. So that file is that folder there is live. If we want to get rid of it, all we have to do is right click and then go to unpin from quick access. Again, that doesn't remove the folder, it just removes that link to quick access so that it's easily accessible. The folder still lives there. And there are some options you can choose. So if you go up to the top and you click on View tab and then off to the right under Options, there are some options here under Privacy, so you can identify whether you want these folders to show up automatically in quick access. And if you want to clear them, you can just hit the clear button, and that will clear the recently used folders. So again, you can pin them yourself, but this list will also grow as you start using files. They'll be put in this quick access folder group. You'll notice the difference is the little pin right here indicates that you've manually assigned it to the quick access. So that's File Explorer, and that's again an easy way to access folders. You can turn them on and off as you need. They can be network drives, they can be anywhere you want. Okay, and Outlook also has a similar feature. So what you would do if you had a folder structure that had a lot of different folders and you want to easily access them, not everybody does, but some people have a lot of folders and it's easy, you want to be able to quickly get to them. What you can do is you can go to the folder, right click on it, and they call it Favorites, so you would click on Show in Favorites. And now up at the top you would have under the Favorites section, you would have a link to the Sandbox. Again, it's a dynamic folder, so if we're in some other folder and we want to, for instance, move a message to that Sandbox folder, we can do that, and now that echo message is in the Sandbox folder. And then if you want to get rid of it, you just right click and you can say remove from favorites. Again, that's just removing the link, it's not removing any of the actual data in the folder or anything like that. So that's a quick look at File Explorer, Quick Access, and Outlook Favorites, and hope that saves you a little bit of time.